Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria. I'm so happy that you're here today. So today's video is going to be a little bit of decorating for Valentine's Day. I have two areas that I want to decorate. This is the first and then this will be the second. So I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so this ladder is hanging in my sunroom and I thought why not add a little Valentine's to it. So I decided just to add the garland on one side just to see if I like it. If I don't, then I can just simply take it off. And I've been wanting to showcase my baskets, my little small collection of baskets. So this will be the perfect place to do so. Guys, excuse my hair. I had just came home and it was a really long day. I didn't even want to bother with it. You know, I wanted to get this video out for you guys. So I am so sorry about my hairstyle. I don't know what was going on back there. So my vision for this ladder is try to keep it as natural looking as possible. Yes, that is a pic from my Christmas tree. I still love that it has a slice of orange, so I just chose to place it in there to try to give it more of that natural look that I'm going for. I also add more berries to the other baskets, and you know, like again, if I don't like it, then I can just simply remove it. Okay, so on this basket, because I was just sliding the other ones in, I just went ahead and add a little wire to it and just hung it up from there. Now it's time to add some little hearts. Okay, so I'm just going to add a little bit of hearts, and I'm going to try to keep also the ladder as simple as I can, but still giving it that little bit of Valentine's to it. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding some greenery in there because there's too much red, something that I try to avoid. And yes, that is another little heart, but that's okay. It's Valentine's, I guess. And of course, we can't forget our roses. I mean, what is Valentine's if you don't have roses, right? So I have two little bundles of roses here, and I'm going to add one in each basket. Okay, and here's a closer look. I love that I was able to keep the hearts minimal. I love now that I have a place to hang my baskets, because before I was always wondering how am I going to display them, where am I going to put them at, you know, and now here I have a place for them, and that only means that guess what, more baskets. So I'll be in the hunt for those. Also the garland, I love this garland. I don't know why, but of course, I'm going to have to replace it real soon because we're going into spring. But over and all, I love it all. You know, I like that I was able to add some flowers, some heart, and try to keep it as minimal, like I said, for Valentine's. So now I'm going to decorate this dresser. I'm also going to try to keep it as minimal as I can with the Valentine's decorations. I have this bird cage here, and I figured, you know, instead of being empty, why not decorate it? Okay, so now I'm going to add this dolly. This actually came from the Dollar Tree, and so did this little wooden plank that I'm going to use as a riser for my lamp. I had this lamp, oh my goodness, for so many years. I think it's a little bit over 20. It's been with me for a really long time, and it still works great. Now, this cage, I'm planning to actually leave it like that through spring, because since it's coming up, why not? So I think it's gonna be perfect. I don't have to worry about it for a couple of months. Now this bird nest, I made it out of I don't know if you guys seen those salad plates that you usually find them at the grocery store. Well, this is what that is. It actually was a set. It was a much bigger one, and then this one, and I just grabbed the little one. I painted it like the inside and the outside, and then I glued, as you can see, some sticks on it and try to make it more natural looking, like a real bird nest. And I thought, in my opinion, I think it came out great. Okay, so now I'm just going to add some greenery around the cage. Just gonna weave it in and out. So now that I finished adding all the greenery, now I'm gonna add this little bird to its nest, put the lampshade on, close the cage, and now it's no longer empty. Now it's full. Now it's going to be hanging very beautiful. Okay, so here I have a basket that I am going to add this clock. Now this clock, I found it actually in one of my thrifts, and I fell in love with it because it's square, it's different, it's not your average circle clock. And this sign that says P.S. I love you, I got that from Hobby Lobby last year. And also I know it's a rabbit, and yes, it's not Easter and what have you, but I love rabbits, and whenever I get a chance to decorate with a rabbit, trust me, I'm gonna go for it. Now this mirror that I had showed you, that actually is also thrifted, and I was surprised that it came from Mexico. And I'm sure you also remember my last video where I did, one of my previous videos actually, that I did that little heart tree there. And this is as much as Valentine's decor that I'm going to add to this little area right here. Okay, well now let's take a closer look. And I really like that I was able to keep it minimal with the Valentine's hearts, traditional colors. And I also love that how the lampshade looks inside the cage. It gives it a little bit of that ambiance look to it. Also, because I work full time, it's hard for me to get around and decorate as soon as I would like to. This way I did it where I know that it'll be able to continue this through spring and even summer. So yeah, I really like how this all turned out. Guys, well, thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my video. If you really like these type of videos, leave me a comment. Also, let me know what you did for your Valentine's decorations. Oh, and this is that tree that I did on one of my previous DIYs. Go ahead and check that video out so you can see how I made that tree. Again, thank you so much. And I forgot, you know, I made some little bit changes. I added these little couple of frogs in there. You know, that was from a not thrifting, that was from one of my hauls, Valentine's haul. That's also one of my previous videos. Again, thank you so much for stopping by. Take care. Till next time. Bye.